Previously on the home team, we've brought in interior design sisters Alyssa and Lysandra to help with some amazing bathroom transformations.
Oh, I'm loving that herringbone tile, looks beautiful.
It's not too much and it's just that right amount of feature tile for that space.
Well, since then, the girls have been hard at work on a major renovation, making over this stunning Victorian-style terrace in Albert Park.
I think the biggest thing that drew us to this property was the location. We're 2 seconds away from the beach and we've got a view of the city and it's in the heart of Albert Park.
We really wanted to do something that had character and it was built in 1890. So we haven't done a renovation like that before or designed a Victorian terrace before. So I think that was really appealing to us as well.
We've obviously restored all of the front and we've kept the first 2 front rooms as traditional as possible. And then throughout the new extension, we've gone with an urban feel.
So the shape of the roof has certainly changed. We did keep the original pitch of that roof and then everything back has, well, it's brand new. Roofs are starting to become definitely a design element of new homes and old homes as well. And for us, we can see our roof from where we are here. We can see this roof, we can see that roof. So it was a really important decision when choosing what roofing we were going to use. That's why we ended up going with Colorbond steel, because it allowed us to create different style roofs.
So we've actually got raked and a pitched roof, and it's actually really quite a beautiful architectural feature. And what I also like is that we've gone the corrugated for the traditional part of the house and then we've gone the spandex for the new part of the house. So it's just bringing those 2 styles together and having the different profiles has really allowed us to do that.
We really were fixed on going a monument colour on our walls. So from there, we needed to pick something that complemented the monument colour really well. And I think the Surf Mist matte, it's a match made in heaven. I don't actually think you can find a more complementary colour palette.
I think our biggest advice for anybody renovating is to start a mood board straight away. Without doing this and trying to picture everything in your head, that's where you're going to come unstuck.
You know, go get a sample of your roofing or your brickwork that you're going to use or the colour of the render and put them all together and start creating a physical mood board and you'll really be able to get a sense of what works and what doesn't work. Don't be afraid also to go and ask a professional for help. If it really is beyond you, then outsource it. Go get the professionals in to help.
Go get a designer, an architect.
Unfortunately, something like your roof or your external finishes, they're not easy to change down the track, so you kind of do want to get it right.